Morning everyone, I am Kartikeya from PP2. Today we are celebrating yellow color day. My favorite color is yellow. Color of sunshine. Yellow color fruits are banana, mango, pineapple. Thank you again. Nice day. Morning everyone, Sakshara. Today we are celebrating yellow color day. My favorite color is yellow.
Good morning everyone. I am Nandini from PP2. I am studying Velocity High School. We are celebrating Yellow Color Day. My favorite is yellow. Yellow is sunshine. Yellow is. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everyone, I am Kiran from PP2, studying in Velocity High School. Today we are celebrating Yellow Color Day. My favorite color is yellow. Yellow is the color of the sunshine. Color of the sun is yellow. Yellow means I feel happy. Yellow color fruits and vegetables are banana, mango, pineapple, pumpkin, cucumber, lemon. Yellow color is the one of the primary colors. Thank you. Have a nice day.